So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 a day from home as a newbie using these 5 websites. Hey guys, my name is Pete from SuperMedia, and I help people just like you grow your impact, income, and influence with videos and funnels. And remember to stay to the end of the video where I will give you my blueprint to identify your wallet-ready customer that will keep buying the stuff you got to offer. So what I'm going to tell you is these 5 websites are sites that I personally use back in the days when I first started off to get to $100 a day. And I know that some of you are new to digital marketing and really wanted to quickly get your feet wet. And really, these are the 5 websites that I think can quickly help you do that, because first of all, they are really easy to use and easy to get started without really any big hurdle and obstacles, and anybody can really do it. If with this disclaimer that anybody who does it is you really need to put in something called effort. You need to put in the work to get this working, because these sites are not magical sites that really will just push a button and get you the $100 a day. Remember this one thing: in anything that you do, you really need to put in that work in order to get the results. So the first one, I guess a lot of you probably already know, is called Fiverr. So although it's called Fiverr, originally the intent was it started off as a site that gets gigs done for you for $5 a pop. And actually it has developed into a site that's no longer just gigs for $5. So there are many things that you can do. If you have a skill, you definitely have something to offer on Fiverr first up. So if you take a look at Fiverr, most of the decent work right now are charging between $20 to $100 per gig. So for just fulfilling 1 gig, you are potentially able to get $100 for that 1 gig. Be it you can do copywriting, you can do video editing, or you can do other kind of creative work like designing a logo. So there is really no limits to how much you can really earn a day. You can really pick up more than 1 gig. And one of the things that have been developed over the years is there's another level in the site that's called Pro Verified. So for Pro Verified, what it does, it actually verifies that you have a decent portfolio, and it's not really difficult in order to get verified. So there is a link in the site that actually gets you through a sieving process, which actually gives you a Pro Verified logo or check mark along your portfolio. So if you go to the Pro Verified site, actually you can see some of the gigs are really at the high level. So it can range from $500, and it's not really unheard of to be getting $1,000 for a gig. But make no mistake, it is a place where all the pros are really hanging around. So if you think that your skills and what you can produce, your work, is really worth $500 and above, I think you should first of all get yourself verified as a pro and really try to use the Pro Verified feature on Fiverr to get gigs upwards to $1,000. So the next site I want to share is a site called ClickFunnels. You have not heard about ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a site that helps you really produce funnels, right? Sales funnels. So what is a sales funnel, you might ask? If you have that question, watch my video, which I will put in the link here, and also the link will be down in the description below. So ClickFunnels is a means for you to, especially if you have a digital product or a service that you want to promote, you can easily create something called a sales funnel to promote your service. So if you have a service that you have, like a coaching service, if you have a skill set to be able to coach, you can actually promote your coaching service by building a sales funnel. Because I have done it many times, and it is, I must say, is super effective, especially when you drive traffic through the funnel to get you very qualified and warm leads. And you can really easily convert those services to getting more than a few $1,000s per gig, and that really easily can translate into easily $100 days. So the other thing that you can do, besides if you don't have a service to sell, is really to create your digital products. So you can create a course. That's one of the easiest one to really sell and to be promoting on ClickFunnels. Not really promoting on ClickFunnels per se, but ClickFunnels helps you to create a sales funnel which allows you to promote that digital product. So another way that you can monetize on ClickFunnels is to become an affiliate. So you can promote ClickFunnels as a product, right, themselves, or even create something like a membership site where you can, draw in membership, and you can grow a tribe for you to, to consume your content. And so that's how you can use ClickFunnels to really help you produce a $100 day revenue if you are really new. So the third website I want to talk about is YouTube. You're now already watching a video on my YouTube channel, and this is one of the secret superpower ways that you can really be branding yourself and promoting your products using the traffic that you can drive to YouTube, right? So how to easily get to $100 days? You can grow your YouTube channel and become a YouTube partner. When you become a YouTube partner, they will allow you to really monetize your channel through the videos. So other people will buy ad inventory and really show their ads over your videos through AdSense. And so you can actually be monetizing through AdSense. So that's one way. So the other way is really to create brand deals. So when you have branded enough on YouTube and your channel is branded enough, needless to say, you can approach brands to so-called promote their products by giving them a shout out on your YouTube channel. And that is one of the very easy way to really to getting your YouTube channel to be monetized. And of course, the really easiest and the beginner newbie way that I would really suggest is affiliate sales. So you can always sign up for an affiliate link through things like Amazon. So if you go through many of the YouTube channels, there are many YouTube creators who are also Amazon affiliates. And what they do is they just put the Amazon link in the description, the affiliate link in the description. And if you click on the link, they will be paid by Amazon to get a small commission for the link that you click on. And the thing is, this link is actually cookie over a period of time. So even if you don't buy that product, the link stays with the person who clicks on the link. And maybe through browsing the Amazon store and decided to purchase another product, and that product gets affiliated to your link, and you will still get a commission for that. So check out for YouTube. If you have not done so, you have not started doing a YouTube channel, really do consider growing your YouTube channel. I have a course on how to sensibly and profitably set up your YouTube channel quickly in 2020, right down in the description below. So if you are interested, you can go on and click on the link below. So number 4 is Storyblocks. Storyblocks actually started off as a photo stock website. So back in the days when I was still doing blogs and Facebook ads, I used to purchase a lot of photo stocks from them. So now they have transformed themselves to selling stock footages as well. So stock footage is a video that you can use in your production, in your videos, without having to pay a royalty or license fee. And that is where this Storyblocks allows contributors, that means people like you, who is able to shoot videos and upload it into the site to be sold as stock footage on their marketplace. So although having said that, there is a process for them to approve all the footage that you upload to be approved for sale as stock footage on the marketplace. So if you have been brand new in videos, so it's a kind of an uphill learning curve for you, especially when you are new to videos. There are quite a long list of requirements that you really need pertaining technically to a video footage that they actually for them to approve to be sold in the marketplace. But it's not entirely very difficult, and if you have some experience in doing videos, I think it is one of fastest and easiest way to upload and to monetize your footage to be sold as stock footage in Storyblocks. So number 5 is Upwork. So Upwork is a freelancing site that you can actually sign up, get your profile done up, and to really promote yourself to take up gigs. So we know that the gig economy is going to thrive, especially after this pandemic. And skills, if you have skills like digital marketing, or even if you have creative skills like videography or designs or photography, these skills are really in high demand. And if you do have those skills, Upwork is a site that you can really monetize those skills, because there are always people looking for creators that are able to help them, creators and marketers that are able to help them to complete their projects. So, and most importantly for Upwork is the flexibility that you get to work as a freelancer. So you decide how much work you want to be doing or when you need to do them. So it's not a fixed time. It is really a result-based kind of a freelancing model. As long as you deliver the result within a fixed period of time, and you are good to really work as a freelancer in Upwork. So do check out Upwork, and some people actually do have their permanent jobs just fulfilling gigs in Upwork. So you can, some of the better freelancers can actually earn upwards to, close to a 5-figure per month if they are really good at what they are doing. So do check out Upwork. So I hope these 5 websites will give you some indication of how you can earn $100 a day. So thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, remember to thumbs up, comment down below what you have learned from this video. I would like to hear about them. And also remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll be reminded of these videos every time I post them 3 times a week. And don't forget to download. The link is in the screen right now. It can also be found in the link in the description below. And don't forget to watch the next video in this series by clicking here. And I'll see you in the next video.